Chapter number last page. Can I show the last page? Hmm.
Very nice. Others kindly follow the same. How many pages it is, Supriya?
Uh, so yet it is 47. Page number 47. Last.
Okay. So almost 50 pages. Only one thing what I found is missing. Now you take your own research problem. Today also I have sent the material. Start that problem. Start your
Okay.
own study and apply. That will be a case study. And I am assuring you, Supriya, out of 20 of internal of mine, definitely you are going to get 20. I don't know about CE1, CE2, and I'm declaring to all the students. The student who will put like this effort definitely going to get the marks. There is no doubt about it. Thank you very much, and I'm very happy with your approach and your attitude. Roll number 10. You have even shown me the assignment on 24th Feb, 26th Feb, along with the answers, 12th of March. So I'm very happy with the way you are learning the subject research methodology. Only one thing I missed, I found it is missing in your book. Now you have to apply it. Only theoretically knowledge is not going to serve the purpose of research methodology. Next, roll number 11 to 15. Once again, roll number 7, 8107, 8107. Forget. 11 to 15. I doubt someone will come. 16 to 20. Here also I doubt. Now let us go 21 to 25. And I'm very sure
So
here.
16.
Okay. Roll number 16. Wait. Okay. Go ahead, roll number 16. But this is the first time. You have not participated earlier. How many pages it is?
31. Sir, my third chapter is remaining.
Your name is not visible. Name and roll number. Index page. Name and roll number to be seen. What's your name?
Prinjal Jain. Yeah, just remaining.
Okay, so kindly complete this. Then only it will going to help us. And Prinjal, now try to get your own research problem, whatever the area you want to do the research. There is no doubt, any kind of compulsion from my end. Wherever you want to do the research, start doing your research. Make a title of it and go ahead with that. Then we will assist you slowly and gradually for your research work. Okay? And try to get the help of computer as much as you can. 21 to 25.
Sir, 24.
Go ahead. Unmute yourself, roll number 24.
Yes, sir.
Wait, let us check your name and roll number. What's your name?
Sir, Ishika Dhakar, 8124.
थोड़ा कैमरा और आगे लेके जाओ बेटा, नहीं दिख रहा है, विजिबिलिटी कम है. हाँ, क्या 81?
8124.
This is compulsory and overwriting will not be allowed. Wait, Ishika. Let us see the lesson for
Sir,
everyone.
that was a blank book and the name was written, so I used that book.
Wait. Other student, henceforth, without your name and roll number, assignment is invalid or copy case. Second, there should not be any overwriting of the name. There should not be any overwriting on the roll numbers. Otherwise, it is invalid. Ishika, beta, go ahead. How many pages it is?
So it is around 27 to 30 pages. I have written till mode and the remaining is little bit remaining.
Now, you all of you have done the practical question, mean, median, mode calculations. Now it is a chance for us to apply them. And for application, it is required we start with some kind of study. I've given too many materials today. Apply those logic. Go to the review of literature. I have given you how the review of literature to be done, who has done it, what was the objective, what are the different kind of variables they have taken, which tools they have taken, and what they have finally concluded, and what was the research gap on which we can do the study. So this way you continue studying, it will definitely going to help us. So from roll number 1 to 25, only 3 roll numbers is there present today. Roll number 10, 16 and 24. Remaining all are absent. 26 to 30. 26 to 30. हाँ डाउट है कोई आएगा इसके बाद वाले में मिल सकता है 31 to 35. 36 to 40. 41 to 45. Very nice. 46 to 50. And I am promising these children, they will never going to get 20 out of 20, for sure. Guarantee है मेरे तरफ से. 40 इनको आ जाए तो मैं अपना पढ़ाने का मतलब मैं पढ़ाना छोड़ दूंगा, याद रखना तुम लोग. (46 to 50). I expect something from now. 51 to 55. 8151.
Yes, sir.
मुझे पता है कौन सा लॉट में आएगा. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. 8156.
55 तक है बेटा, रुक. चलो
No,
56. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. But again, I found it's very little pages, very less number of pages. So kindly enhance the pages, complete all the assignments, whatever
Yes,
things
sir.
has been done in the class. Till 58. Now let us go to D3. 41 to 45. D3. 8241 to 8245.
Sir, Siddhant.
Go ahead.
Yes. Sir, it is visible. Yes, sir.
Very
Will.
nice. But chapter 3 and others are pending. Kindly
Yes,
finish
sir.
as early as possible.
Yes, sir. Sure.
46 to 50, 8246 to 8250. Okay.
So 8246. Hello, sir.
Yeah, please show your assignment.
Yeah. Is it visible, sir?
लेके आ बेटा. Just speak something so that it will be visible to others, Pratama.
Uh, yeah. Yes, sir. I've completed the third chapter, but the third chapter I've completed the range. Quadrile deviation is still.
There is network issue. Pratama, kindly unmute yourself.
So till third chapter it's complete. I mean third chapter till range it is complete. Can I turn the pages?
Very good. I know you are one of the good students. And I believe after this there will not be any serious student. 8247 to 8261. Is there anyone? So there is no one as expected. I'm very much sure they will not be there. So for me, others, even though you are present, it is learning for you all. For me, the present roll numbers is 8110, 8110, 8116, 8124, 4, 8156, 8242, 8246. Just all are absent, dear students. I'm not going to give you attendance even though you are present, because only physically presence is not going to serve my purpose. You have to be physically and mentally present over here in my lecture and course. Because if you are only physically present, you are not going to learn research methodology anymore. Thank you very much, dear student. Now let us go to the next aspect, which we have already started with. I told you that what not we can do in Excel, okay, provided we should know what are the logic we apply, how it is to be applied, what could be the techniques should apply on different kind of research study. So during last lecture only we started this as our studies title, that a study on overspeeding of car during night in Mumbai city, that I have taken as my research area. Why? Because I have a data whereby the speeding is on an average 60, or let us okay, here it is taken 60 kilometer per hour, and we found many of them they are 70, 67, 63, 68, which shows that when the roads are free, when there is less traffic. Okay, so this was my title of the study, and this the data I have collected from one RTO officer who have taken this vehicle speed during night, okay, under their radar system, and we found that there were 30 different samples of cars whose speed on a particular area has been measured, and we got this kind of speed. So these are variable things. Now tell me, in this entire study, ये पूरे study में variable क्या है? Variable क्या है? Tell me, dear student, what do you find as a variable? I have discussed several times. What you are finding here as a variable? A is a variable. No, you can unmute and you can speak. Okay. Very basic question I am asking. By reading this, you are literate enough. आप इसमें से ढूंढ के बताओ कौन सा चीज वेरिएबल है जो वेरी हो सकता है. बताओ. अ वेरी हो सकता है, स्टडी वेरी हो सकता है, ऑन वेरी हो सकता है, ओवर वेरी हो सकता है. टेल मी.
So speeding.
Only the over speeding, the speeding part. मेरा वेरिएबल ये जो स्टडी है ये यूनिवेरिएट है. कार वेरी हो सकता है, नाइट वेरी हो सकता है, मुंबई सिटी. दीज आर द थिंग्स विच इज नोन एज कंटेक्स्ट. रात के कंटेक्स्ट में विच इज कांस्टेंट. So I have given you earlier also, and I have asked several times whether it is variable or not. So whenever we will start our study, we will always try to understand the variability of it. How many variables are there? Whether it is univariate, bivariate, or multivariate. First aspect of research. So whatever you have studied till now, now you start applying it on different cases. Okay? So if there is a univariate, you can measure only till here. Measurement of central tendency and measurement of dispersion. Done. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता उसमें. Okay. If there is bivariate, then correlation regression. If only it is multivariate, then only ANOVA. Then there is another restriction which I would like to make in front of you. whether the data is metric or non-metric. Okay. So if data is metric, then only parametric test to be applied to check your hypothesis. And if data is non-metric, then non-parametric test will be applied. Can you tell me which data is metric and which data is non-metric? I have discussed several times. याद आ रहा है? These data are non-metric. Whenever there is a nominal data, ordinal data, yes no में आंसर है, जेंडर में आंसर, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? नॉन मैट्रिक डेटा. तो कौन सा टेस्ट लगेगा, कौन सा टूल अप्लाई लगेगा, विच पर्टिकुलर स्टैटिस्टिकल मेजर विल बी गोइंग टू हेल्प अस टू कंप्लीट माय स्टडी is purely depend which type of data we have, which type of variable we have. So from now please ये सारी चीज को गांठ बांध लो मैं जो बोल रहा हूं. There are two type of data. One is non-metric data. इससे ज्यादा आप कुछ नहीं पूछते हैं. And दूसरा आप क्या पूछते हैं? Metric data, which are in numbers. Okay. So in metric data, we can apply these. Non-metric में तो और कुछ नहीं है. Non-metric में we cannot apply much of the tools. Here I have explained. If data is non-metric, I can do only the count and percentage. Like I have asked the question whether my research methodology lectures are, you are really enjoying or it is satisfactory or not. Here also today you have seen just now in our descriptive study, we found there is univariate and now these data. So this data could have been collected in two ways. One, below 60 kilometer per hour or above 60 kilometer per hour. So if that way they would have collected the data, yani 58 is below, B, more. So then this data would have been non-metric. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? But here, fortunately, this data is metric. Why? Because we got the data in numbers. Yes or no? Then I have created certain objectives. What was my objective? To study the overspeeding car during night in Mumbai City. Okay. Then I have also created another objective because after doing this research, I wanted to make awareness amongst the people. Boss, morning due to traffic you are not taking speed, but in night the same person, same car, why you are doing that? If you will do so, then there will be cause of accident. There will be cause of an accident, and we found major accident took place in night. Yes or no? And सुबह वापस उसकी वजह से ट्रैफिक नड़ जाता है. Have you seen that or not? लॉरी पलट जाता है, ओला उबर का गाड़ी गिर जाता है because of overspeeding, not taking appropriate measure. Yes or no? Had you ever experienced?
Yes, sir.
If not, that means you are not staying in Mumbai. This is what I am telling. I don't want only physical presence of students. Today also 6:26. अभी धीरे धीरे सब चले गए क्योंकि उनको पता है उनका अटेंडेंस नहीं लगने वाला. And I'm not going to give. I want only the, interested students should come. That's it. Otherwise, just ask the scene of your TY batch 6 semester. क्या हालत है आज? they could not able to do anything. Why? Because they have not give the focus when we were used to teach them the subject. Okay. Then making overspeeding during the night will also impose the RTO fine. तो ये सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव है. Now ये मैंने टाइटल ले लिया और अभी मुझे चाहिए इस पे रिसर्च रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर करने का. तो मैं क्या करूंगा? What I can do? I will go and I will type my title. What is the title? ये मेरा रिसर्च टाइटल है. I will get so many studies. Now you must be knowing and you must be realizing how I am applying whatever the things has been discussed till today. A study on. अब इस पे जितने भी चीज आएंगे research on सोचो आज तक किसी ने इस पे रिसर्च ही नहीं किया. ओके. अब इसको हम लोग ब्रेक करते जाएंगे. अब इसको हम लोग ब्रेक करते जाएंगे. ओके. रिसर्च ऑन ओवर स्पीडिंग. आर यू गेटिंग मी? फिर मुझे धीरे धीरे कुछ ना कुछ रिसर्च स्टडी मिलेगा. आने लगा ना? बिकॉज वर्ल्ड में कहीं ना कहीं there should be some research. Okay, so this is how we are going to create our review of literature. Are you getting, my dear student, how you will start your process? No, again I will take you to the back. Same, I defined a problem, I started reviewing. Yes or no? I started reviewing the research. Now I will create the objective and I will formulate the hypothesis. I'll go one by one. That is what I was asking. Now there is a prediction, research on overspeeding. देखो एक रिसर्च किया है, पीडीएफ में है. एक्सीडेंट. So that is what I was expecting from the beginning, my dear student. You start with one, case study. See, 2014 का है. किसने रिसर्च किया है? Speed and road accident, behavior, motivate, assessment, effectiveness of penalties for speeding. याद आया? Yes or no? Development of and advising of traffic safety research group. स्पेन में ये रिसर्च हुआ है. Now I hope the students who are there in my class must be realizing what. No, you do it. Supriya, now you have to do it. आप लोग को खुद से करना है, टेक योर ओन रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम। और देखो कितना बड़ा रिसर्च गैप है, आपको करना ही चाहिए। ओवर स्पीडिंग में मुंबई में so many accident we are facing, so many death is caused, don't you think it is a social problem? मुझे तो आज तक पता ही नहीं था। Yes, please do it, then only you will learn. And again I will take you to the same thing. You define your problem, you go to the review, make your own objective, formulate your hypothesis, see how many variables are there, make your research design, collect the data, then only you will really learn your, and same thing you apply in semester 6. So you will be going to get 200 marks. You keep my words. And ये सारा जो है ना अभी जो गूगल में आया उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो कि किसी ने आज तक ओवर स्पीडिंग पे मुंबई में रिसर्च ही नहीं किया है। कितना इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया है, किसी ने इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं। यस और नो? और वो गूगल का स्क्रीन का रखने का, फिर हमने ओवर स्पीडिंग पे डाला तो हमको रिसर्च मिला, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड लर्निंग। फिर उसको कैसे रीड करने का वो सारा चीज मैंने आज भी आपको शेयर किया है on your WhatsApp group. Yes or no? So many materials today also I have shared, including the PPT of this. है कि नहीं बताओ? Keep those material as your referral point. कितना आपको सैंपल लेना है, कितना सैंपल नहीं लेना है, सारी चीजें मैंने उसमें बता रखी है। Very important. And believe me, if you have this kind of approach, you will really love learning